Alright, so check out this bike. It is ultra rusted and ultra faded and ultra stock. We're gonna be switching that up. This is gonna be a 3-minute full video restoration of this thing. First things up, I'm gonna check to see if the inner tubes work. Then I will be diagnosing that stuff. I'll be taking it off and fixing it. That plastic right there is gonna come off. Brakes are gonna come off. That spindle is gonna be taken off. Reflectors will be taken off. And I'll get right back with you. All right, here it is, updated. No brakes, no plastic. These are all the parts that came off of it. These are the tools that helped me do that. There was also a bunch of spiders, so I recommend getting a flame torch and flaming it down, or watering it down before you take all this stuff out. I took this stuff out, then I washed it, then the spiders came off. I was worried with spiders. Bad idea. All right, I'll update you soon. When a bike is left in the sun, these stickers become melted and cracked like that. We're gonna have to get a sandpaper and take them down, so that then we can paint over them. This chain will be replaced. These will be painted. Everything will be sprayed. I'll get back to you once I'm done with that. Don't ever wet these. Don't ever get water in there. You could water all the way up to here, but don't wash up from there, because then you'll mess up your grips. Kickstand I left on, but it'll also be taken off. All right, I'll update you guys soon. See ya. For now. Boom, now it is time for paint.